I am HVAC repair guy. I spent 17 years in the field after getting my start as a nuclear power electrician, and I have seen what happens when high-tech specs meet real-world grime. Today, we are looking at a ducted split heat pump matchup between two heavy hitters in the mid-range market, the Ruud Endeavor RP15i and the Tempstar Ion 18 H5H8T. Both of these fall into that premium category, where you start seeing the advanced features that actually make a difference in your monthly bill and your comfort level. Let us start with the build quality, because if the cabinet cannot handle a weed whacker or a hailstorm, the tech inside does not matter. The Ruud Endeavor is built with louvered steel panels. In the field, that is the gold standard for coil protection. The Tempstar Ion 18, however, uses a wire grill. While it is open and easy to clean, it leaves those delicate aluminum fins exposed to rocks, hail, and the neighbor's dog. If you are in an area with a lot of yard activity or heavy weather, that Ruud cabinet is a tank compared to the Tempstar. When we talk efficiency and comfort, we are looking at the heart of the machine. The Ruud RP15AI pulls an HSP-F2 rating of 7.8. It uses a two-stage compressor paired with a single-speed condenser fan. This means it has a high and a low setting. It stays in that low setting most of the time to keep your temperature steady, only jumping to high when the load increases. Now, the Tempstar H5H8T steps up the game here with an HSPF2 of 8.1. It also uses a two-stage compressor, but it pairs it with a two-speed condenser fan. That extra fan speed allows the system to reject heat more precisely, giving you slightly better humidity control and a bit more silence during those late-night runs. Pricing in 2026 for these premium units reflects that jump in tech. For the Ruud Endeavor RP15AI, you are looking at roughly $3,700 for the condenser alone. A full professional installation for a 3-ton system is averaging around $7,400. The Tempstar Ion 18 is coming in slightly higher due to that multi-speed fan setup. The equipment alone sits near $4,100 with a full system install landing between $7,800 and $8,200 depending on your local labor rates. Before we get to the warranty, here is a piece of field advice. Even the best two-stage system will fail if it cannot breathe. You need to wash those outdoor coils with a low-pressure garden hose every spring and change your indoor filters every 30 to 90 days. The warranty battle is where these brands really show their cards. Ruud offers a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year conditional unit replacement warranty, which means if the compressor fails in that first decade, they swap the whole outdoor unit. Tempstar matches the 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but ups the ante with a 10-year no-hassle replacement limited warranty. The verdict is that the Ruud RP16AZ is the definitive winner. While the Tempstar has a slightly higher efficiency rating, the Ruud wipes the floor with it on build quality and protection. You are getting a louvered steel cabinet that actually protects your investment, a superior 10-year unit replacement warranty, and American-made reliability. The Tempstar loses because a wire grill and a weaker warranty are not worth a tiny bump in HSPF2. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.